Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to remove SIM card from your mobile phone. So let's begin our video. So guys, here you can see this is my mobile phone and I want to remove my SIM card from my mobile phone. So what I need to do, in this corner you can find the option. Here you can see this is a SIM tray on here. So I just want to change my SIM card from this SIM tray. So first of all, I just need to open this SIM tray. So how can I open it? I'm going to show you that. This is SIM. This is the tool for open this SIM card tray. So I just put it here and press it. So here you can see right now it's open, and if I just easily I can open it. Let me show you. So here you can see I just open it. So there have no SIM card, but if you have any SIM card on this SIM tray, you can easily remove it. So that's it. The process is very easy and simple. In this way you can remove a SIM card from your mobile phone. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.